Okay, guys, today we're playing a game called Shark Bite, I think. Yeah, Shark Bite, I believe. And they still have their Christmas update for some reason. I'm not being joined by Late Heartbreak, also known as Aiden, and Shoot to Kill, also known as Abraham. Look, there's a snowman. Oh yeah, guys, I found a little chest case. A loot chest of shark's teeth will be dropped race. There's a light. Okay, so you guys see this light here? There's 3 lights around. Alright, hold on, guys. Join my boat. Join my boat. Join my boat. Hold on. I'll invite you guys. I invited you guys. Alright. Oh, it didn't join us. Oh, Bolivar is the shark. I'll drive. I've actually never played this game on computer. Oh no, the shark has a Christmas hat. Wait, I gotta equip my AK. Oh, it didn't let me have my AK. Okay, sit down, Abraham. I won't let you stay on if you don't sit. Sit down. Okay. Where's the shark? Oh my goodness, this boat honestly sucks. Aiden, what boat are you on? His health is going down so fast. Hey, hold on. Aw, you can play music on the boat. Oh, there's a shark. Shoot him, Abraham. Shoot him. He's right there. He's right there. Shoot at him. Abraham, shoot at him. Why aren't you shooting? It doesn't say that you're shooting on my screen. That's my bad. The shark is about to die. Kill him! Abraham, kill him! Yeah, you got him! I just knocked his boat over. How much shark teeth do I have? I have 40. I can buy the harpoon. I bought the harpoon. Alright, just join my boat. Whenever we spawn, just join my boat. Or I'll go to store, and you should have 40 shark teeth. And then go to armory. I'm gonna save up for the rocket next. Or ray gun. Ooh, there's so many good things to buy. It's either gonna be one of these 3 guys. Chest chase. Please don't be me. Please don't be me. Please don't be me. I hate being the shark. Oh, it's Abraham's a shark. All right, Aiden, join my boat. Join my boat. I'm gonna send you an invite. I sent you it. Yes, you're the shark, Aiden. I mean Abraham. Wait, Abraham, don't kill us. Don't kill us. Okay. Abraham, don't kill us. Don't kill us, for real. We're gonna be on the sleigh, the Santa boat. Please don't kill us, Abraham. Okay. I need to get some money so I can buy stuff. I'm gonna harpoon you. No, I'm just kidding. I won't shoot you. And how about this? I won't shoot you, and you won't shoot me. Aiden, I'll drive. Aiden, no, I drive. It's mine. It's mine. Aiden, stop. Aiden, drop. Stop, Aiden. Sometimes you can be really annoying. I gotta drive because I gotta make this YouTube video. Let's go! Holy crap, dude, this thing's fast. Dude, the sleigh is super good. It almost flied. I mean, flew. I said flied. Guys, the sleigh almost flew. It flied. Look at this. That's awesome. Oh, I see you. Abraham, don't kill me. I'm right here. Ah, no. I knocked him over for you. Abraham, don't kill us. He's over here. He's in there. He's in the bottom. Don't shoot at him. Don't shoot him at him, Aiden. Don't shoot at him. Abraham, don't jump up. Ah. No! We got tipped over. We gotta fly back up. Yo, this is so out of control. Oh my god. Oh, what? Why am I able to be on the bottom? Ah! Abraham, no! You almost killed me. You killed him. You killed him. You're good. You're good. You're good. No, that's me. No, you killed me. No, I got wasted. I'll watch you. I'll watch you, Abraham. Ooh, shark looks nice. Alright, I'm gonna tell you where Aiden is. Kill Aiden. Kill Aiden. Kill Aiden, Abraham. There's a guy on top of that boat over there. That floating piece. Aiden, stop shooting at Abraham. I can see you shooting at him. He's not gonna kill you if you don't shoot at him. Well, this shark is so well made. Dude, oh my goodness. Look at that dorsal fin. It's just like standing up there like jaws. Oh, dude, you're almost dead. Does it show your health on the side of you? Like the what up here?
It said that Aiden killed me.
Aiden, why would you shoot at him? Abraham, now if either of us are the shark, we gotta target Aiden. Okay?
Yeah.
Even if they're on the same boat. If I say I'm the shark, Abraham, say I'm the shark and he's on your boat and I accidentally kill you, but I also kill him, it doesn't count if I kill you, okay?
Yeah.
Because he's a traitor.
I'm
gonna invite you three to my boat. We're gonna be on the. Yeah, he didn't mean to kill me.
Yeah, Aiden, what do you mean you accidentally killed me? I'm pretty sure not accident aiming at me and putting the trigger.
Beef.
You were gonna kill me. You got pretty close to me.
Yeah, because there's other guys like right with you.
I didn't kill you, did I? I didn't kill you, did I?
Alright, guys, join me. Just join me.
I'm gonna invite you guys.
No, I already invited you guys already. No, guys, join me. Join me. Aiden, join me.
Let me drive. Let me drive a car, okay?
No, bro. I'll let you drive next round. I'll let you drive next round. I'll let you drive next round. I swear. I'll let you drive next round. No, dude, it's so much easier to control driving on PC. He left. Abraham, invite us to your boat next time, okay? And then you can drive. Oh god, it's the shark. Guys, we should try and just swim into the shark cave. Because I know some oxygen parts that are over there. Ah! 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 Blah, 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 blah. I'm gonna follow him. Let's follow him. Shoot at him. Just reload and shoot at him. He's going for the biggest boat first. I'm hitting him so many times. But I have to reload so many times because I only have a harpoon gun. Aiden, get in! No, Aiden! No, I'm sorry, I had to leave you. He's coming. No, Aiden, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Aiden, get in! Get in! Aiden, get in! Get in! Aiden, get in! Aiden, I'm actually about to leave you. Ah, where is he? Oh, he's right here. He's right under us. He's right under us. He doesn't know we're here. He's so low. I just hit him. I just hit him. I got him, I think. Oh, wait, no. Who got him? What? Okay. You drive. You drive. Do the Santa sleigh though, 'cause it's like the fastest vehicle in the game. Like right now it is, at least from what I know. Wait, what other vehicles are there actually? Oh, that's really fast. The SWAT boat's fast. Dude, how much does the deluxe yacht cost? Costs as much as the AK.
Which, the huge one?
Yeah. The deluxe yacht. Dude, the destroyer. It's $4,500 for the destroyer. Holy crap. Actually, the Spectre. The Spectre is the fastest boat in the game, I think. Alright, Abraham, you choose a sand to slay. Abraham, invite us. Alright, I'm in. Aiden, stop.
Aiden, stop. I can't hear
I know.
It's fucking blasting in my ear. Alright, I'm driving. No, I'm not. We're gonna kill this dumb shark. Why isn't it working? There we go.
Whoa, what is that? There's a crate inside of there. There's a crate inside of there. Just head away from the island, because the island's where the spawn. Oh, there's a shark. There's a shark. Oh, it's coming at us, I think. Abraham, move! Go, 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 go! I hit him so many times. Ah! 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 No! No! Ah! 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 Run! 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 Ah! Shoot at him while you run! Why me? No! Abraham, where are you? Abraham, you're dead! No! Abraham, no! No! He's coming for me! No! He got me! Darn it! Aiden, run! Run, Aiden! How is Aiden not dead? Aiden lost his hair. Aiden lost his hair. Aiden's dead. Aiden's dead, yeah. Aiden died. Oh, how did Aiden not just die? The shark just ran right into him.
Aiden, come on.
Aiden died. Aiden died. Ah. So do I. Alright guys. I think I'm going to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed. Remember to like and subscribe, and bye.